All right, so I am Sam.
And I'm Christian.
And we're down here at Red Ox Manufacturing. And Christian is gonna tell us some super cool facts about these monkey knots.
So this is a really cool product. It's one of our Red Ox signature things that you'll find on our bags, and these are a perfect stocking stuffer. So normally our bags come with the black and gray monkey's fist zipper pulls, but you can really get creative when you personalize your bag with all these different ones right here. You can go with the pink, the yellow, the green, orange, the blue, and what's really, really handy about them is they've got these nice monkey fists on the end, so you can actually grab onto them and pull on something, and it's not going to slip out of your hands. Not to mention having them be really visible. If you're in the dark and any light hits them, they're going to just pop. So it's got a little 3M reflective glow wire in there to make that happen for you. But the colors is what's really fun for me because I'm a bright, colorful person. You can also use them on, say, a ski jacket. You can use it on your sleeping bag. So there's a lot of different things. If you've got a zipper, you can get one of these in there. And I've even got my coat equipped with a blue zip knot right here because there's nothing worse than getting a really high quality product and then having a terrible zipper pull. And they're just fun to kind of put on your bag. So if you have certain things in certain pockets, you could take the yellow and mark it on one of your pockets to have your water bottle in it, or a blue one to mark something else that you have. Just an absolute fantastic idea to fill that stocking up for that special someone. And they should love it as much as I do because it's one of my favorite little accessories that we make.
So here we have the reflective monkey knots. We use them on all of our bags and everything with zippers. We absolutely love them here. We use them on our coats, and we hope you love them as well. We'll catch you later. Everything we make here at Red Ox is a gift that'll last a lifetime.
So if you have any questions about any of the products that we've talked about today, or any of the additional things in our lineup, please give us a call today.
We'd love to hear from you. Our number is 1-888-733-6999.